Olá pessoal, professor Botrel Miranda, e hoje eu vou mostrar um pouquinho para vocês aqui sobre os bicos que a gente usa nos drones T10, né? A gente sabe que tem vários modelos aí, mas eu vou falar especificamente do T10, tá? Para isso eu trouxe aqui uns bicos de pulverização, né? A gente está usando nesse modelo do T10, é possível usar somente o 110, as vazões 01, 02 e 015, né? Então, e isso deve ser configurado no controle do drone. Então vou mostrar para vocês aqui rapidinho como funciona isso, né? Para quem tem curiosidade, está começando as atividades aí. E na sequência eu vou mostrar também um experimento que a gente fez aqui, um trabalho que a gente fez aqui com milho, testando as faixas de aplicação, né? Mostrar o plano de voo para registro aí dos nossos bolsistas aí, tá ok? Então aqui, pessoal, a gente tem os três modelos que podemos trabalhar aqui com os drones T10, né? Que é aqui o 01, o 015 e o 02 aqui, ó. No controle, turma, a gente tem que fazer da seguinte forma, ó. Vocês estão vendo o controle aqui, a tela do controle na mão, ó. Vai ligar o drone e aí vocês vão vir aqui em executar tarefa, ó. Aí vai abrir a tela, né, da onde ele tá. Vai vir aqui em cima em configurações, ó. Depois a gente vem aqui do lado nesse spray aqui, ó. E aí a gente vai ter todas as estruturas aqui, as possibilidades de trabalho com configuração do drone, ó. Então a gente vai procurar aqui. Pode liberar preso, né? Comum entrar ar na bomba, né? Calibrar fluxo da bomba, calibrar o fluxômetro, né? Tudo aqui para calibrar. E aqui vai ter uma informação importante aqui, que é onde eu quero mostrar para vocês, que é esse modelo do bico aqui, ó, tá? Então achou lá o modelo, clicou aqui, tem que configurar isso aqui antes de iniciar os trabalhos. Então vai escolher lá 110.01, 110.015, 110.02, no nosso caso aqui é o 110.015, tá certo? Como a aeronave não está conectada, né, a gente não consegue fazer essa atualização aqui, mas na hora do trabalho a gente precisa fazer, porque corre o risco de queimar a bomba. Eu espero que vocês tenham gostado aí das informações, né, para quem está começando a trabalhar com esse tipo de drone. Ainda tem bastante no mercado, né? Espero que vocês façam bom uso aí. Um abraço a todos e até mais.
But now, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick it. Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots.
You were not as tough though.
Don't wanna test your